Well, the day of my loss, I was putting away holiday dishes after Christmas, and when I opened the cupboard, I smelled like mildew smell. So I started investigating, and I realized that there was a lot of dampness behind the cabinets. So at that point, we called the plumber and proceeded with the process of trying to get it fixed. Oh, that was the luckiest day of my life, because we had gone through about 3 plumbers at that point. One completely said there was no leak. And of course, when Allied came in, they found it immediately. They found how it had traveled through the wall, and then gave us a great plan on what they were going to do and how they were going to fix it. So we were real happy at that point. 10, absolutely. Everything was done like they said it was going to be done. Frank, who is the one person I could call, I never had to call actually, but I always knew he was there if I needed an answer for something. So it was just, they were professional. They cleaned up after themselves. The dust was kept to a minimal, and other than just the disruption of seeing it, I was really not bothered by it. Call Allied, or just be patient. It is a process. It's it disrupts your living conditions and everything. But when it was handled so great, it was well worth it, and they just did an excellent job.
Allied, a disaster restoration company providing a platinum level of customer service.